Hi, what's up? Ate Maurice. Happy birthday! Mana is here right now. I'm reading my supposed to be ortho subject because I'm studying right now. I'm having my ortho preceptorship. Happy birthday, cousin. I love you and hope to see you next year. Happy birthday, Maurice. I wish you all the happiness and good health and prosperity. And you may have. I wish you all the success in life. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Maris. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Ate, happy birthday. I miss you. Come home soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I miss you. Take care. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Ate Maris, happy birthday. We miss you. Lahat kami dito sa Philippines. We miss ka na. Kaya, love you. Mwah, happy birthday. More happiness and mwah.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I really miss you so much. Umalik ka na. Umuwi ka na. Baliw kayo. Pareho tayo. Mahal na lang ako sa'yo. Love you. I miss you so much. Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. You say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wait. Okay, never mind. She doesn't want to sing. Happy birthday, Ate. You're old. Okay. Hey, Ate. Sweet. Happy birthday. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Maurice, happy birthday.
Bye.